All you need, and I just really like saying this, is a flat-bottomed wok. So you can cook with a wok on an induction stove. Hello, I'm Sarah from Electrify This. Welcome to How to Electrify Your Cooktop. I'll be sharing what I've learned from my own electrification journey to help make yours simpler and easier. One of the most impactful ways to electrify your home is right here in the kitchen. Replacing a gas cooktop with induction means better air quality, faster cooking than gas, and a surface that's safer for kids and far easier to clean. In this episode, I'm going to show you exactly what's involved, whether you're retrofitting your gas cooktop or doing a kitchen reno. I'll show you my top 3 tips that make induction one of the smartest upgrades you can make for your home and your family. Let's get into it. So this is my induction stove. I ended up choosing a Bosch stove. I've been really happy with it. I really like how simple and easy the buttons are to use. It's got metal on the sides here. A lot of them don't, but I actually like it because I actually knocked that a couple of times with a mug or a fry pan. I've been like, oh, I'm glad that's there as protection. But before I put the stove in, I had to get my range hood replaced because it was from 1997 and didn't work and was ducted to the top of the cupboard. And when you close up all your gaps and cracks, you need to duct it to the outside. You can see here, ducting that goes out through the wall. The guys who did it left holes around the ducting and I had to quickly race out and go and get some expandable foam. Be prepared essentially for unexpected surprises. And I also did that first because I didn't want to put the stove in and then have someone working on this and drop something on my lovely new glass stove. That would have been a bit of a disaster. So I did that first and then this. And you don't need to renovate your entire kitchen. You can just do a retrofit by replacing your gas stove with induction. A big reason that people replace their gas stoves is because of air quality. I noticed an immediate improvement when we got rid of ours, and 12% of childhood asthma is attributed to gas stoves, which is actually quite shocking. A common misconception is that people think induction stoves are the old school ceramic electric stoves. They are not. They are completely different. Those old ceramic stoves, the ring gets really hot and red. You have really terrible control. And it's quite dangerous with kids. An induction stove is completely different. So if I put it on like this, I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to put this on boost mode, so it's very fast. But here's the kicker. This gets hot, but I can actually touch around the outside here. It gets a little bit warm, but it doesn't get hot. There's no heat loss, so it's very, very efficient. I can go up in half increments, and when you turn something off, it's instant. You can't have that with gas, it stays hot for ages afterwards. So that's the big difference between ceramic electric and induction. Another big advantage of induction stoves is the extra bench space. If you have a really tiny, pokey kitchen and you really struggle to find a surface, this is a surface you can use. My sister actually puts a silicone mat over hers. Absolutely brilliant, right? Tiny kitchen, lots of room. When you replace your gas stove, you'll need 2 tradies, an electrician and a plumber. The plumber will disconnect your gas, they'll cap it, and then they'll remove the stove. And then the electrician will install the stove, but they also need to run a circuit or a cable from your board to the stove. So that's an additional expense that you need to bear in mind. But if you have a ceramic electric stove, win-win. It's a straight swap. That will actually be much cheaper to do. If you're unsure about getting rid of your gas stove and putting in induction, you can actually try before you buy. You can get yourself a portable induction stove. This is about $50, this one. You can get a single or a dual hob, get a piece of wood, put it on the top of your gas stove and use that instead. And it just plugs into a regular power point. You can see whether you like induction or not. It's also great if you're a renter, and even better if you have an EV with vehicle to load, you could take this camping. Not all cookware is compatible with induction stoves. Most that's made these days is. The way that you test it is to get a magnet, and if it sticks to the bottom, that will work on induction. So that's the first test you can do. But don't panic, lots of places sell induction-ready cookware now, and you can even buy it at the supermarket. Another myth that people have, it's that you can't cook with a wok on an induction stove. That is also not true. All you need, and I just really like saying this, is a flat-bottomed wok. This is brilliant. So you can cook with a wok on an induction stove. So if you're thinking about upgrading your cooktop, induction gives you cleaner air, faster cooking, and a kitchen that's safer and easier to clean. So it's a simple upgrade that really pays off. Happy cooking! Don't forget to check out our other videos in this How to Electrify series to help you on your journey. If you'd like more information or handy resources on electrification, visit goodenergy.ausgrid.com.au.